We gonna wait. Y'all still gonna go though, right?
Man, we're waiting on you, bro. If you waiting on us, you backing up.
Let me see how.
You got the intake?
I got the intake on there.
You got the intake.
I need the. Damn, what I need to. I mean, y'all think I can make a pass right now?
I'm gonna drive though.
Nah, y'all don't know how to drive. I'm too scared to let somebody else
This car I
drive.
ain't never seen.
I already know. I done already seen everything
Hey,
this thing
ask
can do.
my man right here. I'm gonna show you some shit this car ain't never seen.
Look out, ain't bullshit.
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hey, we ain't playing, are we?
We ain't bullshit.
Yeah.
Show you, baby.
I don't know, man. I'm
I'ma show
scared.
you.
I'm scared to let you
I'ma
show
put
me,
that car
man.
on sometimes it ain't never seen.
Man, I'm scared.
I know
You might not know what you doing.
We'll do that, but it's only one
It
thing.
ain't no week.
Hey, look.
It ain't no week.
I know.
Yeah,
Hey,
tonight
man.
I've been drinking.
I'm part of
Yeah.
lookout, dog.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah. And then you got all them
listen, man. There's
Michelobs.
only one thing. Give me this shit right
You
here.
ain't getting shit,
Yeah.
bro. Get back.
Yeah.
Hey, I let him go for $12.50 a piece.
No, you won't.
Damn,
That's
12.50.
our last ones, but I'm gonna give you a buzz ball. Yeah, here you go.
Okay.
Here's another ball.
Okay.
I don't want yours.
Oh, well, you can take. Listen.
No, I don't want yours. I want her to get it.
He gonna take it. Look
I'll
at it.
take it.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Okay. What we got? How we gonna do it? Let me see. I don't know what we gonna do. They probably ain't
Hey,
ready
remember
for
we
me
had
to
them
make no
dreads?
pass right now.
I
Yeah.
know that's what I told you.
We got-
Man, that's my boy.
Yeah. What happened?
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, they ready to go.
When we was down there, when I had that white Camaro.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
They ready to go.
Hey, tell him about the Camaro.
Hey, the
Tell
bad
'em.
motherfucker.
Oh, they had a Camaro.
Yeah,
My
he
white
did.
one before I went to jail.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go.
we did.
Look.
Hey, that mother was bad, right?
He
Yeah,
changed his life
motherfucker.
around, okay?
Yeah, he changed his life.
Hey, what
Yeah, he changed his life.
Hey, it's gone. I wish I still had it.
Yeah, I wish he had it too, man. All right, man. All right, have a good one.
She got mad at me like a motherfucker.
No,
I ain't want yours. She got mad at the motherfucker. I said I ain't want yours. I want hers. She gave me hers. Hey, I embarrassed her. Shit, she still gave it to you. Shit.
Yeah.
I wanted hers, man.
Yeah.
She with somebody. I want from a motherfucker that's single.
Nah.
I want to drink. I want her to hold it while I drink that bitch.
No, he got both of them.
He got both.
He got both.
He just told me. He just told me he got both of them.
He do.
He got both of them.
He got both of them. He said
Aw,
they
man.
in one.
I gotta tell him, man. Goddamn, you ain't gonna tag me in.
No
What the
tag.
fuck?
That, he
Bet
ain't.
20 tag.
You trying to get tag team?
God damn.
Yeah.
Hey,
What is go? What you?
nigga, crazy ass nigga, right there, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga don't even know how to.
Ruly Ramundo said Milton is pissed now. Yeah.
Hey man, this shit here, god damn. This shit strong. How much alcohol in that shit? God damn. I feel that shit going to my chest. Like motherfucker hitting me.
Hey, man.
Boom.
We drinking some buzz box.
Man,
Hell yeah.
motherfucker in the chest.
What do y'all drink?
Hey, we forgot.
I ain't never seen
Hey,
this
we
buzz
forgot
box.
to do one thing, man. Shake it, baby. That motherfucker say shake
Y'all
it,
probably
baby.
need to like do a toast. Y'all
Yeah.
need to have a
Toast,
toast.
Do a motherfucker.
There
Hey,
you go.
hey, man. Let me make a pass in that motherfucker, man.
God damn, man.
Make a pass in your car.
Say, look
Come
at
on.
Hey, let me make a pass in that bitch.
Come on, man.
God damn.
I'm finna make a pass myself. I'm
You let
waiting to
everybody
see.
get in now.
I gotta take them for a ride. Yeah.
I want to drive this.
Nah, I'm ready. I want to go first. Goddamn.
Fuck the police.
I want to
Hey,
go first.
Bet 100 you let me drive that bitch down the track. Bet 100. Hey, don't say
Yeah,
nothing, man.
okay, I ain't gonna
Bet
say
100.
nothing.
Hey, I give him 300 to 100. You want to bet? I'm gonna drive that bitch down.
You gonna drive that
I'm gonna
motherfucker
drive
after this?
Hey, I'm gonna drive
Hey,
it out
bet you
there.
don't let him drive.
No, I ain't.
Hey, you
Hey,
drink
listen,
one of
man.
these.
Listen, bet him.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, he gonna let me drive it after this.
They said chug that motherfucker. Yeah.
Hey,
Bet he drive that motherfucker
hey,
down that motherfucker.
hey, bet I drive that bitch. I'm gonna make a pass in that motherfucker. I
Yeah.
ain't gonna get on that car.
Look how I gotta load that bitch up
That
on the
motherfucker
trailer.
ain't got shit on that trailer.
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 Golly.
Alright.
Say, look out.
Huh.
This a bad motherfucker. I ain't never seen this drink.
Yeah.
Say,
I ain't never seen it.
We
You
need
ever
to check
seen
the
it?
date
No,
on
I
we
it.
ain't
gonna,
never
we
seen
gonna find
this
Tyrone
Hey,
over there
we need to
asleep
check
on the
the
start
date
line.
Hey, we need to check the date on this.
Say,
Oh.
man, I ain't never
No, it
seen
ain't
no shit
expired.
like this.
That's that pussy pop
Hey,
right there, boy.
Is it doing something funky
you
time?
know, I don't know how to drink no
Yeah.
That shit,
That's
man. Look at that motherfucker. Look,
Right there.
he going hard.
Damn.
Yeah,
They talking about it got
man,
2020 date on it.
Hey,
Don't worry about the day.
old ass shit.
He said old ass shit.
They had this shit in the freezer.
Yeah, they had it in the
They
freezer.
did to them black guys.
Yeah.
They don't drink anything. They did to them black guys. They'll drink anything.
You know why?
I
Yeah.
got mad at him.
Yeah.
Because he tried to give it to him, he wouldn't take
Yeah,
it.
he wanted.
though, man. I bet 50. This motherfucker be fucked up. He ain't gonna bet no more tonight. Bet 50.
Yeah, nah, he still know all the cars.
Hey, bet 50. Hey, man.
What's the name of that thing? Fuzz
Fuzz
Box.
Hey, make a bet. Hey, make a watch this. Look out. I bet 40 to 20. I drink mine for you.
Your shit already gone.
Hey,
Your shit
Bill
already
mine.
gone.
Bill Hills.
Oh, here go Juice Pie.
Bill Hills.
Come on, Juice Pie.
Hell,
Ah.
no, they couldn't do that.
Hey.
I once.
Yeah.
That seemed like a motherfucker hit me in the chest.
Yeah, hell.
Hey, man. Hey, I sipped one time, looked like somebody just hit me in the chest.
Yeah.
Hey, look out.
Yeah.
Hey, boom, motherfucker. A lightweight ass. Bag up ice cream truck.
Yeah.
Bag your motherfucking
You want to
ass
push up off this
You wanna push
motherfucker?
up? Hey, give me a Frito pie.
Yeah.
Hold the peppers, dog.
You just gone, pop, nigga. I'm holding the pin.
Yeah.
Look out. You want some nachos?
Yeah.
Hey, give us some nachos. What kind of chips you want? Doritos?
Doritos,
Hey,
man.
give us some nachos.
Spicy nacho. I don't want them nacho
Hey,
cheese.
Spicy nacho.
He get Fritos.
Hey, go get some
I don't fuck with Fritos.
Hey, go get some nachos.
I don't fuck with
You don't
Fritos.
fuck with Fritos, you don't get
You
nothing.
want a Frito pie?
You don't get
I
nothing.
don't
said you
fuck
want a
with
Frito.
You gotta
Fritos.
get a Frito pie, look out.
Hell nah. I'm finna go get some more of this Buchanas over here. Y'all done got y'all buzz on.
What a Buchanan, dog?
Over here,
What is that?
one of them Mexican drinks. Mexican liquor. Huh? Nah, not a Mexican girl. It's a bottle.
Tom Gunner or Brian Orr?
Okay, wait a minute.
I want
Tom Gunner or Brian Orr?
You want Tom Gunner or Brian Orr?
I give you eyes, you go with Brian.
No,
Orr.
no,
Hey,
I'll go
200 to
Tom
100.
Gunner.
Hey, 200 to 100.
200 to 100.
200 to 100, man. I'm just doing it one time. Do you want
One
it?
time.
200 to 100.
Let me get. Hey, Brian Orr in that yellow
That's who
car,
you
right?
want.
Hey, Brian Orr in that
yeah,
yellow
that's
car,
who you
right?
want.
I got Tom Gunner. How much? Ice cream truck. Give me a hey, give me a push up.
Let me see something, boy. I'm finna go over here. Yeah, I done already, whatever little Buchanas I done had, I done already wore it back off. So I'm trying to look out.